now here at One Ayala and we're preparing for the sound check ng Philippine version singers ng K-pop Demon Hunters. So aga-aga performance namin 7 PM pero 7 AM call time for the sound check kasi dapat wala pang tao. Nakita na kami finally. Are you excited, girls?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm so scared.
So this is Kyle Felicity.
Hello.
She's gonna do
I say vlogger.
and then Rana Marone, she's gonna do Zoe. And then Denise, she's gonna do Mira. So ngayon pa lang sila talaga kakanta ng sabay-sabay. Kami ngayon ang stand-in parents ng tatlo. Translator.
Huwag nating itatanggi, inadya para sa amin, the way that we're meant to be. Kaya huwag nang magtago, wala nang lihim, dapat ingatan na, bata pala palaban, tapos ikaw ulit masakit na. Diba?
So ngayon, nagka-practice kami on a bigger venue para lang may feel sila ng big space at hindi ma-intimidate.
Ready now. We're on our way.
I don't think I'm ready enough for that.
But the car isn't ready. Zoe's here.
Irumi na lang.
I'm here with the girls.
Finally. Well, what do you know?
I'm so excited. And I'm sure you are.
I am. Documenter.
Handshakes, lupit, babanatan yan. Hey!
Okay, tapos, ayun lang. And
Are you ready? Yeah! 80% ha?
Yeah! Feel the beat and cheer for the one and only K-pop Demon Hunters!
Super Manila Comic Con! Handa na ba kayo? Go! Sige, laban! Simulan man, balakong man, baka mo ng laban. Sa kapag nagkataya lang, napiling kalaban. Mas sakit ko lang ito, ayaw sa pansin ko, BBS
They were asking for a second set.
Let's just play a video of them. So that's a wrap and we're done.